MakersPlace is an NFT marketplace dedicated to buying and selling digital art. As a platform, it caters to both artists and collectors, allowing creators to monetize their work as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, on the Ethereum blockchain. It features an intuitive interface, enabling artists to showcase their art to a global audience and collectors to explore unique, authenticated works. Once an artwork is uploaded to MakersPlace, it is tokenized, giving it verified ownership on the blockchain. MakersPlace ensures that all NFTs are one of a kind, making it a great platform for both seasoned and new digital art enthusiasts. The platform also supports high-profile artists, offering them a space to reach a curated and dedicated collector base. When a collector purchases an NFT on MakersPlace, they receive a digital certificate of ownership that can later be resold or held as part of their collection. The buying process is simple, with users able to browse through the marketplace, bid on artworks, and complete purchases via cryptocurrency. For creators, MakersPlace offers an easy-to-use interface that allows for uploading artwork, setting prices, and managing sales with ease. With a strong emphasis on originality and authenticity, MakersPlace ensures that each NFT is securely registered on the blockchain, reducing the risk of piracy or fraud. Whether you're an artist looking to sell your digital creations or a collector wanting to own a piece of exclusive art, MakersPlace offers a trustworthy and innovative platform for both sides. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. MakersPlace also stands out with its artist-driven community, which provides creators with the tools and resources they need to grow their careers in the NFT space. Whether you're into illustration, photography, digital painting, or other forms of digital art, MakersPlace supports a wide range of art styles and offers curated collections that highlight emerging artists and established creators alike. The platform is also known for hosting exclusive drops, offering collectors a chance to purchase limited edition pieces that can be resold at higher values later. This makes it an ideal platform for collectors looking to invest in high-quality, rare artworks. For those new to NFTs, MakersPlace provides a user-friendly experience that makes it easy to get started, whether you're looking to purchase your first NFT or are an experienced investor. The site also features tutorials and educational resources to help new users navigate the world of digital art and NFTs. To stay competitive in the rapidly evolving NFT space, MakersPlace continues to innovate and expand its features, ensuring both artists and collectors have access to the latest tools and opportunities. The platform's commitment to authenticity, user experience, and artist empowerment makes it a top choice for those looking to participate in the growing NFT ecosystem. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews on NFT platforms, and don't forget to give this video a like.